Some call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I have been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter, or worse. But I have been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowering streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regards or disregards me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?